Furry, the little penguins that could. Written by Ann Yurchek and illustrated by Jody Culp. Chapter 9, The New Boy and the Kids. I was glad the little boy in his rolly chair returned to learn new things in our penguin kindergarten classroom. I guess you can say right from the beginning, I was drawn to him, but not like a picture, just saying. I liked him a lot, and I had gotten to know him on his visits last year. Being a penguin, I understood much more about him than most of the other Stuffies. Many days I stayed on the shelf and watched the children while Pony, Pig, Lamb, and even Cow played farm. The little boy watched, too, without his smile. He looked sad, and sometimes he flapped his hands while watching the children play. Penguins are different from other Stuffies, and the boy in the rolly chair was different from the other children. Penguins have short little wings and little feet. My little flipper flappers do not hold or grab things. If children tried to help me use something in their play, the toys or crayons fell to the floor. After all, penguins do not have hands. I understood what it felt like to flap and never get off the ground. The little boy struggled to use his hands. His hands moved around and up and down and back and forth. He tried to hang on to the crayons like the other children, but like me, things often fell to the floor. I am here, flapped the little gray penguin. You can play with me. When the boys grown up let him out of the rolly chair, he sat on the rug like a big W and teetered and tottered. When the children were building towers, the boy bumped them and they all fell down. Penguins know that when you have little teeny wings with a mind of their own, how hard it is to do things. I understood being frustrated. It must be hard to be the boy. When the boy got out of his chair, he struggled to balance. He looked like he might topple over. He was long and thin, not round and short like a penguin. We both waddled. Penguins don't walk, they waddle because our feet are too close to the ground. I was surprised to see someone so tall waddle. Penguins do their best to waddle, waddle, hop, hop, and we often topple over. The boy was trying his best. Even though we were different, we were quite alike.